213 and 147, these two numbers. Subtracting 147 from 213. Let us see how to do it in the representational stage. First, let us take a square line book. Let us represent 213. When we represent this, units, tens, hundreds. This second row is reserved for regrouping. So we reserve it for regrouping. 213, 100, 200s, 110, 1, 2, 3 units. 147, 100, 110s, 210s, 310s, 410s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you see, the numbers can be written anywhere. From 213, if you remove 147, the answer or difference will be written here in the third row. Let us start the process now. What is the first question? From 3 units, can we remove 7 units? 3 is less than 7. We cannot remove a big number from a small number. How many can we remove? 1, 2, 2, 3. 3 can be removed. There are 4 more left. How do we remove these 4 units? So, we go to the tens place and seek help. We did the same thing in the concrete stage also. We went to the tens place and asked for help. Can you give me 10 units? Earlier, we went to the bank and changed it to 10 units. Let us do the same process. 10. There is one 10. I will regroup this 10 from the place of 10 to the units place. I have taken this 10. This is going to the units place, but not as a 10, but as 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 units. I have 10 units. I have to remove 4 units. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units. So I am able to remove all 7 units. How many units are left? 1 unit, 2 units, 2 units. Just as I count it here, I have to write it down here. 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units. So, 6 units are left. Now, in the tens place, how many tens are there? There is nothing. How many are to be removed? 4 tens should be removed. How can we remove 4 tens from nothing? Again, I go to the hundreds place and ask for help. When I asked for help, I got 100. I have to regroup this 100. When I bring 100 to the tens place, I have 10 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 tens. I have 10 tens now. I had nothing here, but I got 10 tens now. Let me see if I can remove 4 tens. 1 10, 1 10, 2 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 4 tens. How many tens are left? Have all the tens been exhausted? Yes, gone. What is left is 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 3 tens, 4, 4 tens, 5, 5 tens, 6, 6 tens. Are all tens gone now? Right. All tens are gone. 6 tens are left. I have written 6 here. So what is my answer? Hundreds place. We are yet to do this. How many hundreds are there? 100. 100 remains. And we have to remove 100. 100, 100. How many hundreds are left? Nothing. So if there is nothing, it means 0. If you remove 100 from 100, nothing is left. So what is left after subtracting 147 from 213? 6 in the units place, 6 in the tens place. So it is 66. How can we write it in the abstract form? Let us see that as well. 213 unit, 10, 100, 147. We are subtracting 147 from 213. We have to remember the vocabulary. Whichever vocabulary we used in the concrete and representational stages should be used in the abstract stage. The same method should also be used. I have 3 units. Can we subtract 7 units from 3 units? Is it possible? No. Let me take help from this 10. If one 10 moves from here, when this 10 comes to units, I have 1 10 and 3 units. 13 units will be here. From 13 units, if you remove 7, how many are left? I have 6 units. We have seen that in the representational stage. So, what do we have in the tens place? Nothing. There is 0 because we have taken this 10 to the units and regrouped it. We have seen it is not borrowing but regrouping. How can we remove 4 tens from 0 tens? Possible? Not possible. So, we go to hundreds place and ask for help. 100 goes to the 10th place. How many hundreds are left? 100 is left. This 100 goes to the 10th place. It got regrouped as 10 tens. I have 10 tens now. If I remove 4 tens from there, I am left with 6 tens. What do we have in the hundreds place? If we remove 100 from 100, I have nothing left. So the answer is 6 tens and 6 units, 66. If you remove 147 from 213 or if you subtract, 66 is the answer. This is how we teach subtraction with regrouping in the concrete, representational and the abstract stages. How do we teach that? We have seen it.